Hello, and thank you for choosing A&D Repair and Collision in Haslett, Michigan. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing us. We know you have a lot of choices, and we're glad to be your number one. If I could have a few minutes of your time, I would love to show you the facility, where to drop your vehicle off, and where to pick it up. Follow me. When you arrive at the facility, we do have an after-hours drop-off. If you follow me inside, I'll show you where the key box is and the envelope for the information to fill out. Come on in. Any one of these guys there? Ryan back there will get you taken care of. He's here for an oil change, Ryan. If you're arriving for an after-hours drop-off, we have a breezeway here that stays open 24/7 with the customer information to be filled out. Additionally, the complaints if you haven't called or made an appointment. Put your keys inside the envelope, put it in the drop box, and we'll get it the following business day. After your vehicle has been checked in the morning, the first step of our process will be completed, the vehicle arrival inspection. Things like dash lights, wipers, tire condition, check engine lights, that type of thing will be noted and sent to you immediately upon completion. After vehicle arrival inspection has been completed, your vehicle will then enter the facility for its digital vehicle inspection. Once your vehicle enters the facility, the 80-point digital vehicle inspection will check over the remaining items of the 80-point inspection, such as tie rods, ball joints, belts, hoses, fluid condition, and things as even as simple as exhaust T shields and items like that. After completion of the vehicle's 80-point inspection, anything marked red or yellow, we will then write estimates for you so you can make an informed decision for your vehicle's future. Thank you for choosing us, A&D Repair and Collision in Haslett, Michigan. We know you have a lot of choices, and we're glad to be your number one.